In a world that spins faster with each passing day, a world obsessed with control, we find ourselves in a constant struggle. We try to bend circumstances to our will, to manage every outcome, to steer the ship of our lives through increasingly turbulent waters. Stoicism teaches the opposite: peace through acceptance. What if the secret to a calmer life isn't more control, but less? Chapter 1. The very first lesson, and perhaps the most fundamental, is what the Stoics called the dichotomy of control. It's a simple yet profoundly liberating idea. Imagine drawing a circle around yourself. Your thoughts, your judgments, your actions, your responses. Everything outside that circle, the weather, the traffic, what other people think of you, the global economy, is beyond your direct control. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Your true strength is in commanding the fortress of your own mind. So let's make this practical. Right now, take a quiet breath. Ask, is this inside my circle of control or outside? If it's outside, practice acceptance. If it's inside, take wise action. List one thing you can control now: your posture, your next breath, the choice to listen with an open heart. The Stoics understood. It is not events themselves that disturb us, but our judgments about them. An event is neutral. It is simply a fact. A traffic jam is just cars. A critical comment is just letters. It is the story we tell that gives it charge. Reframe. This is out of my control. This pause is an opportunity. Listen. Breathe. Be present. Notice the sky. Feel the seat. No rush. The event stays. Your peace returns. Men are disturbed not by things, but by the views which they take of them. You can choose a more helpful story. You are the author of your experience. Chapter 3. Memento Mori. Remember, you must die. Awareness of mortality is a tool for meaning, urgency, appreciation. We behave like time is infinite, postponing talks, delaying dreams, taking people for granted. Finite time clarifies what matters. Cherish the present. Recognize this moment as a fleeting, unrepeatable gift. Chapter 4. In the heat of the moment, our impulse is to react. A sharp word, a hasty decision, a slammed door. Fight or flight helps in danger, but now it often harms. The antidote is the pause. Between stimulus and response lies a space, and your power to choose. Do not suppress emotion. Prevent it from hijacking your behavior. In and out, in and out, in and out. Stand up, walk away, breathe. Analyze. Is there truth? A misunderstanding? Choose. Respond later with clarity, or talk face to face. A pause turns conflict into growth. Chapter 5. Our culture manufactures desire. Newer car, bigger house, latest phone, more clothes, more status. The hedonic treadmill. True wealth is wanting very little. Find sufficiency in what you have. Practice. Give away one item daily. Write 3 gratitudes nightly. Wealth in appreciation, not accumulation. Chapter 6. In our culture, discipline sounds like restriction. To the Stoics, discipline is the path to freedom. Without it, we are slaves to impulses, moods, appetites. Freedom is earned through daily self-discipline. Freedom is the fruit of discipline. Hours of practice become ease and choice. Choose one small habit today, just one. Then do it. That act declares your sovereignty. Chapter 7. Sympathia. All things are interconnected. What serves the whole serves the part. Live for others, not applause. Act because it is right. What is not good for the beehive is not good for the bee. Choose one small, concrete way to help. Expect nothing in return. A listening ear. An hour of service. A genuine compliment. Outro. We have walked through 7 timeless pillars of wisdom. They are a practical blueprint for a calmer, more resilient, meaningful life. The Stoic way isn't old. It's timeless.